Jeff. Doesn't that sound cool?
No.
Come on.
No.
Literally like right on top of us, bro. It's about time we get some rain though. It's been so hot. Right, imagine a tornado at work. Thank you very much. You guys have a good one. Be careful.
Yeah.
If you want to sit in here and wait it out, you can.
No problem. Until 7:15, so it's too long.
Yeah.
2 hours. Okay.
All right. Well, y'all be careful. You too.
Please be careful.
We will. We will. All right. You guys, let me bring the car here.
Okay.
All right. I'll be right back.
Good luck.
I told you.
The second they stepped out the door, bro, that was like right there too.
I told you. You didn't want to listen.
What do you mean I didn't want to listen?
Well, you probably did listen. But like, no, it's so bad out there.
This is what you call a real severe thunderstorm. Really think you're gonna turn out okay?
Yes. Oh my God. No.
You should put some of that cream cheese for us to get it. It's so good. Yes.
Is the cinnamon the new ice cream flavor?
Yeah, the cinnamon roll. That is so good too. Why would you put me that? Hey, welcome to Cold Stone. You good?
I make it.
You got another shower today, huh?
It's
45.50. Put you right up here. There you go. Yeah, I'm probably staying until after the storm's over
No,
because
I usually don't want you out there.
I mean, you saw those people almost get struck by lightning when they went outside. So.
And my power just went out at home.
Oh my gosh, really? And you live close to me, don't you? That means my mom went out too.
Yeah.
That's great. through the front.
Your mom. Hey, friend.
Hey, friend.
I need to finish this ice cream, but I don't want to make ice cream when there's literal lightning outside. I want to fry the machine.